to Grab the Horns. I'm Daniel Cooper. Really glad you could join us today. Company that we're going to be looking at is another recent IPO by the name of Fusion.io. Ticker symbol is FIO. So let's go ahead and dive right into the stock and take a look at a few things. Fusion.io makes extremely fast and extremely expensive memory storage. The company recently had its IPO on June 9th, 2011, and it priced out 12.3 million shares of common stock at $19 per share. There's plenty of companies in the storage and memory space business, so the main question is, what's getting investors so interested in Fusion.io? One of the main things is its client list. Look here, these are all clients of Fusion.io. It has partnerships with companies like Hewlett-Packard, IBM, Credit Suisse, Dell, Apple, and one of its main ones, Facebook. Facebook is actually Fusion.io's largest client. So Facebook is the largest social networking site out there with more than 500 million active users who spend 700 billion minutes per month on Facebook.com. Needless to say, it takes a great deal of resources to run that kind of a website. So Fusion.io is able to help Facebook and other companies, quote unquote, reduce latency with increasing data center efficiency with its storage memory platform that significantly improves the processing capabilities within a data center by moving process critical or active data closer to the CPU where it is processed. What does that all mean to the end user? Well, it means that website pages load faster. After all, no one likes waiting. We all know that we get frustrated after waiting even a full second for a website to load. So Fusion.io has several case studies on websites which it has claim to. As we can see here and read, Credit Suisse recognized 5 times faster data analysis. Answers.com achieved 30 times faster database replication. And Datalogics realized 40 times faster business intelligent queries. Now, who wouldn't like 40 times faster business intelligence? So what's the bottom line for Fusion.io? The IPO raised approximately $233 million. It's a relatively small company by Wall Street standards, and it's got an innovative product. It also has a small but impressive list of clients. Like other technologies, the price of Fusion.io is probably going to relate pretty evenly with the S&P 500. This is a chart of Fusion.io. Obviously not a lot of data since it just IPO'd on June the 9th. We can see where it opened up at, where it's been trading, the range that it's been in. It was up a little bit today. $23.30 is where it closed at. But this is going to be another one of those stocks that will most likely be influenced by what happens in the market in general here. Fusion.io has a very sexy product and a very compelling story looking at its client list. As an added bonus to that, Apple's co-founder Steve Wozniak serves on Fusion.io's management team as their chief scientist. So it's got a lot of good things going for it. Its IPO recently came out. Again, it's one of those stocks where IPO coming out in this market, you may not see the true value of the stock, but this is definitely one to keep an eye on, especially with its small but growing client list and who those clients are. So hope that this was able to help you out a little bit today. Good stock to keep an eye on. As always, get out there, go grab the horns.